Good morning, students. Jai Swami Narayan. Till date, we are learned so many basic concepts of cyber security, in which we are covered unit number 1, system vulnerability scanning, overview of vulnerability scanning, open port service identification, how to check a version, traffic analysis, vulnerability problems with example, Metasploits, network vulnerability scannings, in which we are learn Netcat, Socket, Nessus, and understanding of ports and service tools. We are also learn in unit number 2 network defense tools, firewalls and packet filters. We are also learned characteristic to filter stateless versus stateful firewalls, network address translation, port forwarding, SNOF, and introduction of detection system. In unit 3, we are cover web application tool scanning for web vulnerability tools, in which we are learn HTTP utilities, OpenSSL, application inspection tool, various attacks, SQL maps, brute force attack, man in middle attack. Then we are also cover unit number 4, in which we are introducing few cybercrime and related concepts, in which we are covered attack vectors, criminal behaviors, and what about cyberspace. But still we are not cover the basic of network defense, how to secure our network. It's a main important point, in which we are start with what is computer network defense. First, meaning of network defense. It is a set of processes and proactive measures that use computer networks to detect, monitor, protect, analyze, and defend against network intranslations, in which we get result in service and network denials, degradation and disruptions. It enable a government or military institute organization to defend and retaliate against network attacks perpetrated by malicious or adversarial computer system or network. We are also seeing that Techpedia explain the basic definition of computer network defense, short form is CND, is primarily a form of cyber security and information assurance measure for securing a military and government information system from threatening cyber attacks and intrusions. The key objectives of network defense is to ensure that no unauthorized, illegal or malicious traffic, user or application is given access to a confidential IT environment and network. It is a part of the computer network series of various network-based operations is aimed to protecting, exploiting and attacking enemy computer systems and networks. Moreover, it is also a component of the DoD's operational security framework in various network-based operations, in which we are take as example few IS information system, cyber threats, information assurance, that means IA, Defense Information System Agency, packet capturing, image spam, real-time location service, and we are also take as example of California Consumer Privacy Act. It is all about basic definition of network defense. Now, first outlined topic is the network protocol. First, you must aware which layer in protocol models we are used as per ISO OSI standard, the basic framework of protocols which is followed the layer structures. A complexity of networking leads to layered architectures in which TCP/IP stack has 4 levels, OSI has 7. Network protocol layering, here you see in presentation, application layer, transport layer, network layer and link layer. In application layer, we are use a web browser which is stream and fetch data from web servers. In transport layer is TCP segment. Network layer is used, for example, the net protocol, IP. Then link layer, it's all about Ethernet drivers, which cover the basic drivers and required file to transport a data between one device to another via internet. Network protocol layering, here you see the basic structures in which cover header. The part of headers are application, TCP, IP and link. First, we are start with data link layer. It sits on top of physical layer which provides a hardware specification, encoding and signaling, data transmission and reception, topology and physical network designs. Example of data link layers are Ethernet, token ring, FTDI and Wi-Fi. It follows the standard of the protocol sequence 802.11. It divided into two sub-layers, logical link control and media access control, MAC. In last unit, we are learned MAC in details. Link layer address resolution. Network interface card is a unique medium access control number, now typically changeable in order to accommodate device change when using authentication, the MAC address. Format for it be written as 12 hex bytes. First 6 used to identify a vendor, last 6 for serial number. NICs, the network interface cards, either select based on MAC address or are in promiscuous mode. It is used to capture every packet. Before that, you must aware with Internet Protocol. I hope you already aware, but still I repeat, revise the basic definition of Internet Protocol. Protocol means is a principal communication protocol in Internet Protocol suite for relaying datagram across network boundaries. Its routing function enables internetworking and essentially establish the internet. IP has the task of delivering packet from source host to the destination host based on IP address. Link layer address resolution. Address resolution protocol resolve IP address to MAC address and RFC 826. It's assume node A with IP address 10.10.100 and MAC address is 00, 01, 2, 3, 4 and 5 want to talk to IP address. It is 10.10.10.101. It sends out a broadcast who has requested. Here we are assume the node A is send a request to MAC address. Here you seen here the first one, the IP address requested to MAC address for some kind of transmission or communication of data. All devices on the link capture the packet and pass it to the IP layer. Here we see the IP 10.10.10.101 is the only one to answer the all requests it received from particular device or particular MAC address. This is also replied. You are seeing the ARP64, the ARP reply on IP address is at A0, 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 A0. A cache, the value in its ARP cache. Cache is used for runtime reserved space or data structure which is provide a temporary storage during data transmission by using Internet Protocol. Here IP was the connectionless datagram service in the original transmission control program and which is complemented by connection oriented service that become the basic for the transmission control protocol. The Internet Protocol suite is therefore often referred to as a TCP IP. This is all about link layer ARP resolution protocol. Here we seen example in which we are found the ARP requested from particular host to destination host. This tool is used for communicating or data transmission, and the basic identity of device which is used in transmission of data from source to destination by using internet protocol. This is also you must seen here the who is requesting from single device to a server or particular destination devices and identify the device and start a communication. This is a link layer intrusion detection. This tool is a capture used for authentication, authorization and integrity of transmission framework. It is also used as a network monitoring tools such as Argus or Eternal Log MAC address. Link layer forensics. Here you show example. Spike in a network traffic come from a computer with a certain IP address. You already know internet protocol IP is used for transmission control program, which is internetworking, communication protocol, internet protocol suite and basic datagrams used to deployment of transmission and a transfer of data between source to destination. However, Argus log revealed that the traffic comes from a computer with different MAC. Then the computer assigned that IP spoofing. You already aware with spoofing. You already know the spoofing. And finally, intrusion response. Find the computer with that Mac and a Linux laptop that has been compromised and is used for denial of service attack. You are already aware with so many attacks in which you learn active and passive attack. Before that, here I repeat line number 2. A MAC is used, then computer assign that IP. It is all about spoofing. Spoofing is an act of discuss the communication from an unknown source as being from a known trusted source. Spoofing can apply to emails, phone calls and websites, or can be more technical such as a computer spoofing and IP address resolution protocol or DNS server. Link layer intrusion detection. Here we are seeing on command prompt we are execute this command ARP/A. You get internet address, physical address and its type. ARP cache can be viewed on Windows NT 2000 XP with ARP a command. ARP/A is command is used to get details of interface, particular IP address and physical address and what kind of protocol it's have is either a static or a dynamic. This is link layer intrusion detection. Some organization log ARP information. Routers keep ARP tables. It shows IP, Internet Protocol. All hosts keep ARP tables. The record or data are saved and stored in a particular data structures or a matrix in form of table. DHCP often assigns an address only to computer with known MAC. An employee receives harassing email from a host. This is example on the employee's network with IP address 192.168.165. DHCP server database show that this IP was assigned to a computer with MAC address. Here you see MAC address is a 0048563860. This is an example. This MAC belong to a network pointer. A router's ARP table showed that IP address 192.168.165 was used by a computer with MAC. This is IP spoofing. You already know the spoofing is an act of discuss the communication from unknown source as a being from a known trusted source. Spoofing can apply to emails, phone calls, and website. It is also targets personal information. It is used to spread a malware through infected links or attachments. It is also based on bypass network access controls or redistribute traffic to conduct a denial of service attack. Spoofing is often the way a bad actor gains access in order to execute a larger cyber attack, such as an advanced persistent threat or man-in-the-middle attack. Successful attack on organizations can lead to infected computer systems and network, data breaches and or loss of revenue, all liable to affect the organization's public reputations. In addition, spoofing that leads to the rerouting of internet traffic can overwhelm networks or lead customer or clients to malicious sites aimed at stealing information or distributing malware. Although this MAC was not on the organization list, it is IP spoofing. There were only few Apple computers on the network and the culprit was soon found. How to identify unauthorized IP address from routing table? It is we analyze and filter a log files in which search keywords like users, password and logins, nicknames and channel names. We also use filters, reconstruction like I already give example in IP spoofing. Example is the content of webmail inbox. Here you see the net intercept screenshot is example for a network forensic network intrusion detection commercial tool that reveals link layer evidence. ARP package. It is a RFC 826 ARP package in which we cover the hardware type, protocol, number of bytes in hardware address is a MAC, number of bytes in protocol address, operation code, source MAC, source IP, targeted MAC and targeted IP. ARP package is address resolution protocol, is for request from hardware type, use is Ethernet, protocol IP, connected hardware size is 6 and protocol size is 4. Operation code request you have already seen here, and use a MAC address, IP address for sender and receiver or a target. The eternal disassembly of ARP package is looked like this. A monitoring tool, ARP watch, is used to monitor Ethernet activity and keeps a database of Ethernet IP address pairings. Pairings means combination of particular IP addresses. Is all about monitoring tools. Attacks on ARP. You see here the package generators for various operating system is allowed to attacker to subvert a chosen protocol. HPing2 used for Windows, asterisk NIX in capital for X Windows, packet. Here you also use this URL or link address for practical, IP sorcery and many more. Is used to create arbitrary packages. Attack on ARP. First one is a switch flooding, in which switches contain a switch address table is associate a port with a MAC addresses. Switch flooding create many false entries. Switches fail in two different modes, fail open and fail close. Fail open used to convert into a hub. This is allows to monitor traffic to switch from any ports. In fail close, switch stops all connected functioning. It is a denial of service attack. Here you see in figure attacks on ARP poisoning. A victim is connected with switch attacker directly connect with switch and use and identify the entire network routes and get access of all data and information and the basic frame of basic structures of basic layers of your network. Now we are continue in a next session. Jai Swaminarayan.